How to fix Instagram follow back problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram follow back problem. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. For that, launch Play Store or App Store. Now search for Instagram app. Open it. If there is any updates, update your app to the latest version. Outdated application can create follow back problem on Instagram. After that, you need to simply head towards the settings on your device. Scroll down. Select apps. Now choose app management. Using search bar, you need to type in Instagram and open the app info section of Instagram. Select storage users and tap clear cache. This will fix different glitches appearing on your app. You need to know that Instagram limit actions to around 200 followers per day for most accounts. For that, you need to wait 24 hours before trying again. If you are blocked, you will see a notification, so avoid rapid follow or unfollow behavior in the future. You need to wait for the block to expire, that is 24 to 48 hours, and avoid repeated attempts. If Instagram suspects bot like behavior, it may restrict your actions, so you can switch to a verified email or phone number for your account recovery. And once that, you need to simply restart your device for a while. Simply hold the power button and swipe restart, and sometimes restarting your device can fix this kind of glitches on your Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.